What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to buy a fan inside a local electronics store. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without see. Make people live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So this is the room I'm living in right now. And it's great. Lots of space, this huge TV, desk and a window and all that. Even a ceiling fan. And yes, the ceiling fan moves air around, and I'm really grateful, thankful I've got a ceiling fan, but it's not the same as direct air blowing at you. And so I want to go out and buy a standing fan, or maybe it could be just a desk fan, or maybe one that oscillates. We'll see what we find, because I need the direct wind blowing at me. And then when I sit there, I have it pointing there. And then when I go to bed, you put it on the side pointing at you. And it doesn't matter that I'm in a hotel, because when I move out of here and get my own place, I just bring it with me to the new place. So I checked in Google, there's an electronics shop close by, and they've got everything from washing machines and refrigerators, and we'll see what else, kitchen appliances, and also fans, hopefully. So it's just around the corner from me. We'll see when we get there. I would almost be interested in a little sandwich press, sandwich maker, or a toaster of some kind, because then I can get breakfast done real easy in my room. So here it is. Looks like they do repairs too. It's like air conditioners, fridges. Here's what I'm looking for. So we can take a look at what they've got inside the inside part. So you can see things like pressure cooker, rice cooker, steamers. This is another fan, but it looks like this is one that you can mount on the wall. So we don't need a wall-mounted one, we just want a desk. It'll probably be a desk fan. It's easier to move to when they're smaller, and then when I get a new place, maybe I can buy a second fan that's like taller. They have blenders. Looks like washing machines. But even simple stuff, like if you just need an electric kettle, those are really useful too. Looks like a small shop, but there's a lot of different stuff in here. You get an air fryer. There's another kind here. They've got an iron, if you need to iron your pants or your dress shirt. This is cool. We used to have one of these in the office when I was a teacher. It's like they have the water cooler unit. And that's good here because I think it filters it at the same time. One of my apartments in Phnom Penh actually came with one of those like water cooler units. Because normally you can't drink the tap water, so you have to buy clean jugs or bottles. But this one you just hook up to the water line in your house, and so when I had that apartment, you could just come up and fill bottles right from there. So I was talking to them a bit. They do repairs here. So if you have a fan that maybe it's sticking or the blades are loose or something breaks on it, you can come back here, and I can see there's like replacement parts hanging, and it looks like they're doing a job right back here. Working on an air conditioner. Okay, so we took a look around here. Let's check out the fans.
Oh, this one is $9.
That's good. I think I can handle that. We're taking a look at this one. Looks like a perfect size. And they said they could do this for $9. Just to get an idea, what would like this one cost? It's a bit bigger. See, I was looking a bit closer at all of these, and this is the one we were first talking about for $9. And then I took a look, and I like this one behind. It's a bit wider, bigger fan. I think we settled on this one for $12 because it's a bit bigger. I think that's going to be able to push more air, and I'll be happier I went with one for just a few bucks more. Okay, so we've got the fan. I'll put a link below to the name of this place. Tang Heng Ngon Electronics. Okay, so we're almost back at Funky, and then we can plug it in and see how much air this thing can push. Okay, I got all the plastic off. It's plugged in. Let's see if this thing works. Oh yeah, baby. And it turns. Next speed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. $12. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life.